first basketball player. You have to see this, guys. Look. He's gonna shoot and he's gonna miss it. Look, he's gonna miss it like 30 shots. Get closer. Try to get closer and let's see if you make it. Get closer, then you can like.
Stop laughing at me. Fuck. I'm gonna do it with my foot.
That's hilarious. Try to dunk it.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a funny one. Yeah. Yo, try to like hit the door and like make it like almost dunk it. Nice. Try to do grandma shot.
Wait, how? Like this?
Yeah. How? Like this. That's like grandma shot. He still didn't make it. Yo, up to 2 minutes, okay? Yo, a miracle. Finally. You're becoming the best baseball player with one make. Try to dunk it one more time, but this time try to not fall. Nice. You're gonna fuck it up.
Wait, I'm gonna do baseball.
Baseball time. Let's try to make this video 3 minutes. Nice. You have a real baseball. Oh shit!
Oh shit.
¿Qué rompieron?
No.
¿Qué rompí?